We're going to be looking at how to create a survey and graph using Google Sheets. First, you're going to want to make your own copy of this Google Sheet. Once you have your own copy made, change the word copy to your name. Google Sheets is used to collect data and information. Google Sheets functions in columns, which are A, B, C, and rows, which are numbers 1, 2, 3. When a column and a row meet in a particular cell or square, you're going to see them highlighted as the column and the number. So this is going to be C3. We are going to take a survey about mindfulness techniques, and then I'll show you how to edit this to make your own custom survey. Watch or learn about each one of these different types of mindfulness techniques. Go around the class and ask the other students which one of the mindfulness techniques they would prefer to do today. Put the total number of students who have selected each one of these in column C next to the correct mindfulness label. So for example, in my classroom, 5 students wanted to do 5-finger breathing, 6 students wanted to do rainbow breathing, 8 wanted to do illustrated mindfulness, and 1 wanted to do movement mindfulness. As you can see, as long as you put numbers here in column C next to each one of these, a pie chart is created automatically. Now in Google Sheets, if you want, you can select each one of these cells and hit delete, and you can change what you want to have here for values. Click once inside the cell that you want to add text to where the cursor shows up inside that cell. Double click this cell, delete the previous answer and put in a Snickers bar. Continue this down column B. Now here we're going to want to change these images. Select the cell you want to add the image to, go to Insert, Image, and insert the image in the cell. Then you can search through Google Images to find the image that you want. Once you found the image that you want, hit Insert and it will be inserted in the entire cell here. Now that you've changed your labels for the values, go around the class and take your survey one more time, adding numbers to update your pie chart. That is a brief overview of things that you can add and do in Google Sheets.